Hi everybody, this is Alex. I'm an expert at Yandex Direct. Welcome back to the Yandex Direct tutorial series. In this video, you'll learn how to create an account and get started with Yandex Direct. To start using Yandex Direct, you need to log in to Yandex, go to direct.yandex.com and click Register in the center or the top right corner of the page. Next, fill out the data to register an account. First, specify the country where the business to be advertised is incorporated and select the currency for the transactions with the advertising system and in which to display amounts in the interface. Your choice of country and currency affects the amount of VAT or tax to be paid and available top-up methods. As an example, let's select the United Arab Emirates as the country and the US dollars as the currency. In this case, the default payment method will be a bank transfer and another available payment method will be a payment with a bank card. Please note that you can't change the country and currency after you finish your account registration. If you need to do that, you can create a new account. Next, you'll be asked to specify your contact information, email address, and phone number where Yandex Direct can send important notifications about advertising campaign events and recommendations for optimal settings. By default, Yandex Direct takes this data from your Yandex ID, but you can specify other contact details if you wish. If you input a phone number that hasn't been verified before, you'll need to verify it by entering the verification code from a text message. To comply with the law on advertising, it's required to specify advertiser info, including the VAT, company registration number, and the country code from the drop-down list. Bear in mind that you can only add info on one advertiser within the account. You can edit this later in the account settings. If required, create an additional account for a different advertiser. To finish the registration, accept the legal terms and conditions and click Register. Once you do that, you can start using your account. Now that you've created your Yandex Direct account, you can create your first ad campaign. To do this, click Add in the left menu and select Campaign from the list of the options. In the window that opens, you should first choose the desired interface for campaign creation. Campaign Wizard to launch campaigns with simple settings, or Unified Performance Campaign with a full set of tools for experts. To get started with Yandex Direct features right away, you can use Campaign Wizard. Its smart algorithms will automatically suggest the audience and ad settings that are optimal for you based on the page being advertised. It doesn't require any complicated setup, so even if you're new to online advertising, you'll be able to figure out how everything works pretty fast. Choose conversions and traffic to attract the target audience to your site or, for instance, to your social media page. To launch product ads, you can start a product campaign, provide a link to the online product catalog, and Yandex Direct will automatically find products to advertise. You can create ads for one product, a group of products, like a product category, or the entire catalog. There are also purpose-built solutions for quickly launching product ads on popular marketplaces and tools for promoting Telegram channels with just a few clicks. In Unified Performance Campaign, you can run ad campaigns to meet different goals ranging from reach to performance. What does it include? Let's think back to the classic sales funnel. The top of the funnel is awareness, where potential customers are introduced to a brand or product. The next stage is interest, then desire to buy a product, and finally the purchase. The top of the funnel stage is where display campaigns work. They're also known as reach campaigns. These can help you get the widest possible reach of your target audience to build or increase brand or product awareness and create demand for it. Next, use performance ads to work with existing demand. By serving ads in the appropriate context and using relevant creatives, performance-based advertising aims to boost target actions, also known as conversions. Different types of performance-based advertising campaigns in Yandex Direct let you effectively work with different advertising objects such as products, services, online product catalogs, marketplaces, mobile apps, and more. You can use universal campaigns that bring conversions, sales, or traffic thanks to serving ads with text and images on all available sites. This type of ads is known as text and image ads. Then there are campaigns aimed at promoting a large assortment of products. Simply upload information about your products and Yandex Direct will automatically create ads for each of them. If you're advertising a mobile app, Yandex Direct has a special type of campaign for this case as well, factoring in the specifics of working with mobile apps. To launch a campaign like that, simply add a link to your app in an app store. Once you've created an account in Yandex Direct and set up your ad campaign, all that remains is to top up your account and wait until your ads are moderated. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos and find out how to get the most of Yandex Direct.